Hello guys, I'm afraid I'm back solo today. Tea and a chat for just me. But you guys, I'm chatting to you, so it's fine. So it's just me today. Rosie will be back in the new year. But I still thought we should do a tea and a chat because there's lots to talk about, as always. And it's always nice to recap. I know you guys enjoy it. Speaking of enjoying our videos, you guys loved our team makes, which was so lovely to see. And the comments keep coming in. So if you haven't had a look of that and you want a bit of a chuckle, watch our team makes that's up on the channel. We'll link to it in this because yeah, you get to see loads of different makes that the team have made, but also we have a bit of a giggle. So what have we done this month? Well, this month was not this month, is it? It's last month, November. So November, the Nomi dress came out, which was a lovely jersey dress with different options to do skirt with a tier or not a tier, maxi or midi length. So we had that out and that was all well received. We wanted to do a nice cozy dress, but also a dress that you might have as a party option. So we've got that lovely twist in it, so you can do that. And in the sew along, that's what I did. And hopefully if you've seen the sew along, you'll see that it was really easy to do. Super, super simple. So yeah, yay for the Nomi dress. Now, what else came out? Well, we also had the Ultimate Jeans class that came out. So the Ultimate Jeans class, we did do a special video about it actually, because we felt like it was just such a great thing that it needed its own vlog here on YouTube. But the Ultimate Jeans class came out on Stitch School, and it is the fully comprehensive kind of class all about how to make jeans using our Ultimate Jeans pattern. And that is available for subscribers who are premium subscribers, but you can also buy that as an individual class for £60 if you wanted to, if you're not a subscriber. But what's kind of the uplift in that is that, not the uplift, but why would you get that? Well, the reason why you get it is because all of the expertise that this company has been poured into that video, so that we can show you how to fit things, how to sew things really properly, how to sew things accurately, and take you through all the steps. It's like almost 60 videos, I think, in it of how to sew the jeans. So it breaks it down. So that's been, I think, one of the best things that we've done this year. And that's saying something, because I know we do a lot, but that's really, I was saying to Rosie, this is her Sistine Chapel, because Rosie is the Stitch School queen and she did like an amazing job of that. And so yeah, do check it out. We also had lots of other little bits and bobs coming up on Stitch School as well, and we should let you know that there is actually a What's New on Stitch School page now on our website. So if you want to know what's come up on Stitch School that month or recently, you can then just click on that and you know what's happened. So also on Stitch School, we had a little tutorial for how to make a bottle gift bag. So if anyone's gifting wine, Prosecco or champagne this Christmas, then there's a little tutorial on how to make a fabric bag, which is really nice because it's sustainable and great for using up scraps. So that's there. And also we had our Black Friday sale, which was amazing, and you guys seem to love it, and that has kept us very busy doing orders, but we're all on top of that. We've also had some new Molly kits out, which I think there's still some left actually. So we've got Molly kits out, and we'll link to those. But if you check out our kit page, we've got lots of gorgeous Christmas gifts as well. So kits, so we've got pajama kits with Christmassy fabric, we've got tie kits with tartan, we've got pajama kits with not Christmassy fabric. We've got lots on there, so it's worth having a look if you're thinking of making something up for people. So yeah, those have been the main things that we have done this month, and then, or last month, and then this month, new pattern is already out for VIP clubbers. So that's out into the wild, and it will be out in the proper wild next week on Wednesday. And I should say actually about the VIP club, those of you that are like, oh, what's happening with the VIP club next year? It's coming back, guys. It's going to have a few slight changes to it, but it is coming back and we will be telling you about it, so don't worry. We are also doing our big selfless sew this year. We've done it every year, and we basically ask you guys to use up your scraps and send in made up drawstring bags or toiletry bags, and we work with a local women's refuge in Islington, and we basically fill those bags with toys for children, colouring in, arts and crafts stuff, and then toiletries that the women might need in the refuge. Often these women are coming to the refuge in crisis and they don't have anything with them. So that's a nice thing that we always like to do. Please do send those in, and the address to send them into, we'll put that in the description. It's basically our office address, but put that in the description below. We don't have much time actually, so it's only if you're in the UK and you can whip some up. I need to take them there next week on Tuesday, I think, so we haven't got very long. And then the other thing that we've got to talk about is our Christmas Zoom party. So we're basically doing another Christmas Zoom party. We did one last year, and even though it's not kind of, we're all in lockdown or whatever, we thought it was a really nice thing to do because our community is so spread out over the world. It was such a nice thing to do so that everyone could join in. So we're doing it again this year. It's £5 for a ticket. It's an hour. It's going to be on the 16th of December from 7 p.m. UK time to 8 p.m. Me, Rosie and Alma will be there. We'll be dressed up in our makes, so maybe this is a nice, well, we're saying it's a nice chance to put on one of your favourite makes from the year, or a festive make or a party make, whatever it is, yeah, join us with a glass of mulled wine or a hot chocolate, whichever you prefer, or for some of you in the world it'll be the morning, so maybe it's a cup of tea or a coffee. Yeah, we'll all have a natter because it's Zoom. We'll be able to go into breakout rooms. So what we did last time is we would just pop up me, Rosie and Alma in breakout rooms, so we chat to you and then we'll mix them up, and so we'll hopefully get and chat to another bunch, and we'll all talk together as well. And whilst we're doing it, we're going to do the best thing that we can do with scraps. We're going to make a wreath. So if you want to do this, buy yourself a ticket. There'll be a link in the description box below, and you can get to the tickets under our gifts drop down menu from the website. And then you'll also need to order one of these or something similar. So this is, we got this off Amazon, and it's basically just a metal wreath base. And that will give you something to tie your fabric scraps into. And you want to have fabric scraps of around 4 centimetres by 10 centimetres. So you could prep them already, or you could do them with us. It doesn't really matter. The idea is that we're doing something with our hands and being busy and having a chat, and yeah, wishing each other happy Christmas. So I hope to see some of you guys there. It's always really nice, the Zooms, because we actually get to see faces rather than just names and sort of chats pop up like we do in the sew-alongs. So it's really nice to kind of bring us all together for that once a year. So hopefully I'll see you there. There's definitely probably more stuff going to be happening. Stitch School, there'll still be new things coming up throughout the month, but it's not, December's never quite as busy as all of our other months. But still worth opening those newsletters, because I think we've got one little potential offer still to come in this month, so it's worth keeping an eye on what we're doing. But yeah, I think that's it. I missed Rosie today, not having her. I know it wasn't probably as fun to watch, but she will be back. It's just a very busy time at the moment, and they're kind of getting us all together to film at the same time, and yeah, it was just easier me doing it by myself. So sorry about that, guys, but yeah, I will hopefully see you very soon. If I don't see you before Christmas, then happy Christmas, but hopefully I will. Bye guys, thanks for watching.